Overcoming overuse. Mastering the art of adjective usage. Hello, English learners. Today we'll dive into a common trap many language learners fall into: overusing adjectives. Adjectives are fantastic tools in our language toolbox, helping us describe and provide more detail about nouns. However, using too many can lead to overly complicated, unclear, or awkward sentences. Let's tackle this issue today. To start, let's define what we mean by overuse. In simple terms, overuse of adjectives occurs when a sentence is filled with more adjectives than necessary. This could lead to redundancies, awkward sentence structures, or confusion. Consider this example: she wore a beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, lovely dress. The intent is to emphasize how impressive the dress is, but the repetition of synonyms actually detracts from the clarity and impact of the sentence. Overuse of adjectives can lead to a few key issues. Firstly, it often leads to redundancy, as in the example we just looked at. Secondly, it can make sentences overly complex and harder to understand. And thirdly, it can dilute the impact of your message. When everything is described as amazing, incredible, or unbelievable, these words lose their power. Before we can address the problem, we must learn how to spot it. To recognize overuse, look for sentences that have multiple adjectives describing the same noun. Also, look for adjectives that don't add any new or important information. For instance, the old ancient castle stood at the top of the tall high hill. Here, old and ancient, as well as tall and high, are essentially saying the same thing. Here are a few tips to help you avoid overusing adjectives. 1. Be selective. Not every noun needs an adjective. Choose where you use them wisely. 2. Choose precise adjectives. Instead of using multiple adjectives, choose one that precisely captures what you want to say. 3. Revise and edit. Always review your work, removing unnecessary or redundant adjectives. Remember, while adjectives add flavor and detail to our language, it's important to use them judiciously. Overuse can lead to redundancy, overly complex sentences, and dilution of your message. But with practice and attention, you can strike the perfect balance in your adjective usage. Keep practicing, and you'll become a master of adjectives in no time.